kick behind you. Good. If we sit in a little bit lower, you feel thigh engagement. Just a bit. Nice. Very nice.
Here we go.
Good. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. It's all legs. Just go 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You feel that heart rate going up? It only takes a few minutes to get heart rate where you need it to be sure. You get a healthier heart, a stronger heart. Your lungs feel better. You breathe easier. There's so many benefits to fitness walking. You're doing it. Good. Upper body, ready? All we do is lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Raise all the way. Full extension, reach, reach, reach. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Arms are down, power walk, nice. Woo. Kicks are coming, guys. 4, and 3, and 2. Tight tummy before you kick, kick, and kick. I think before my leg flies, I tuck my tummy way back. Belly button to the spine. Nice. And long trunk. All right, now, guys, reach for your feet. Every time a foot comes up, reach and reach. Come on, real strong. Real strong. Give it a little tummy tuck. Every time you kick, tuck, tuck, tuck. Come on, tuck. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You got it. Nice. Move around, little guys. 2 up and 2 back. Ready? Nick, it's the 2. It's so funny. I turn around. They're funny. And 4, 3, 2 counts up and back. Here we go. It's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Hey, you woke them up with that little clap. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 2. Come on, it feels good to move around. Put those muscles in motion. Back for 2. Up for 2. 1, 2. It's such a good brisk pace. And 2 and 2. Last time, up and back. 1 and 2. Back. Good. Stay right here. Power walk. Open up, your kickback's coming again. 4 more, here's 4, 3, kick back. Now let's go, kick back, and reach out straight ahead. Nice. And give me a few more and then we'll pull back. 2 more. Pull back now. Here we go. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Always a walk. Nice. 4, 3. Hey guys, start with a simple side step, then we'll go to skaters. 4 more counts. There's 4, 3, 2. So the side step, get the feet working first. You got it. Just a few more. go. Here's 4. Here's 3. Get ready to pull down. Now it comes. Now 4, 3, 2. Keep going. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. You're walking. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. Walk. Yeah. Kicks ready. Kicks right here. We kick. Kick real strong. Tight tummy. Reach for your feet. When you reach for your feet, you get all those muscles involved. There it is. Ready. Nice and tight. Nice, nice, nice. Susie. Big power kicks because we're tight here. The legs move with power. The arms move with power. Just easy, basic movements can use a lot of muscle. It's fitness walking for your total body. Back to walk, guys. Walk, 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 walk. And up pump the arms. Power walk. Nice. Side steps and skaters. Ready, side step here. Just start out with basic. Get your feet working first. Up together, up together. 4 more. 4, 3. Turn it into a skater. It's skater. And here's the rotation. Carrie, you feel that in your waistline? Exactly. Waistline just takes over. Those rotator muscles just go because the foot changed position. That's all that happened. And now you've got all those muscles working.
Gusto ni Mami kasi bilib ang mga nurse sa Shield antibacterial soap.
2 more. Walk, 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 walk. Wow. You gotta be fast on your feet. It's so nice. Pick up those feet, walk, 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 walk. All right, a little change to the beat. Walk, walk, walk. You got that pace. Nice. Good job. All right, now, we're gonna take the arms up, we're gonna take them out, we're gonna take them down, and then out again. So it's a whole pattern. You can watch it at home. Join us when you're ready. Upper body, 4, 3. All right, now, guys, to the beat like this. You go up, out, down, now back out. Now come on, up, out, down, and out. That's it. Go up and out, and down, and out. Good. Up, out. Good. Down and out. Straight up. There you go. And down. Here it's up and out and down and out. Here's up and out and down and out. Up and out, down and out. Last time, last round. Power walk, power walk, power walk. Yeah. Good. You have to think a little bit, huh? You have to think. Yeah. Nice. Power walk. You got it. Hang on, guys. Keep a good power walk. 5. Knee lifts are coming back. Ready? Knees up right here. Knees up. Knees up. Hands to the hips. Bring it around. Those are singles. 4 more singles. 4, 3. Back to doubles. Here come 2. 1 and 2. Other side. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Come on. All right, now come across your body. We're going even farther. We're going to go to 4s. Not yet. I'll tell you when. 1 and 2. I love that. I have them all thinking. Oh, give me one more set for 2s. Okay, guys, let's do 4 on this side. 4, 3, 2. We'll do the other side. Here's 4, 3, 2. Other side. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. And switch. 4, 3. One more set. That's all. Come on. 4, 3. Make it tight. Good switch. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Wow! Nice, everybody. 2 up, 2 back. Ready? Walking strong. Walk. And back. 2. Let's go. 1 and 2. Back. 2. 1, 2. Back. 2. And 2. And 2. Nice. We're going to add a double side step. I'll tell you when. Not yet. Up for 2. 1 more time. Up and back. Okay, now. Add double side step. So go out together. Out together. Get ready to go back up. Up. Nice. Back. Double side. 1. Out together. Out together. Out together. Here we go. Up. 1, 2. Good. And 2. Double side step. You got it. Out together. Out together. Up for 2. Back for 2. Double. 2. Got it. Move it around all the directions. I love it. So good for the body. Good for your coordination. Good for your balance. Back. 2. Last time. Over.
1, 2.
And back. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. Keep that energy. and two. All corners. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Last time. Corner. 1 and 2. You got it. 1. Stay right here, guys. Nice. Wow. Come on. Power walk. Arms push to the front. Here we go. Push and push and push and push. Come on. Every minute you keep fitness walking, you build endurance into the body. Your heart gets stronger. Your bones get stronger. Your muscles get stronger. Come on, hang in there with the third round. Blow out that air. 4 more counts. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walking again. Nice. Walk, walk, walk. We got it. It's the pace and the beat. Beat, beat, beat. Nice. Hey guys, how about a little cha-cha? All you do is the actual move is you step 2 times and run for 3. It's watch it and join us anytime. 4, 3. All right, like this, guys. It's all you go. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. 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 Step, step. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Be ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's 4, 3, 2. Little run. Walk, 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 walk. There you go. Walk, walk. Nice. Now all we need next, kicks. 4 more counts. Here's 4 and 3 and 2. Now just kicks. All I need you to do, guys, before that leg raises, you think about tummy tuck. Belly button toward the spine. Flatten it up. Reach for your feet. Reach for your feet. It looks like an easy move, but I will tell you, it's strong. It's all the muscles of the body. You can see it. Wendy, Susie, go strong, honey. Carrie, go strong. Big kick, power kicks. Mark, big kick. I love it. Every muscle of the body, Nikki. Tighten up the tummy. Camilla. Head to toe. See, Nick, your neighbor is so smart. Your neighbor. Yeah. Maxine, nice, honey. Beautiful alignment, too. Beautiful alignment. It's total body walking. Nice. Tight tummy. Reach and reach. 4, 3. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. 2 up, 2 back in corners. 4, 3. Ready? 2 up right here. Here's 1. Here's 2. 1 and 2. Corner. 1 and 2. The other corner. Go. 1 and 2. Middle, middle. Corner. And 2. Come on. Move around the room. Corner. Middle. Move the furniture at home. Because we're coming over. Wouldn't that be fun if we got to go everywhere all our walkers are? I would love it. And 2. Maybe we need to do a little tour, everybody. 1 and 2. Middle. One more time. All the way around. Here we go. Corner. And the corner. Middle, middle, middle. Middle. Walk, walk, walk. Pick up feet. Wow. Open up feet. Let's celebrate it, right? Open up. Kickbacks are coming. Give me 4. Give me 3. Give me 2. Give me 1. Here goes. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. And all the way to heaven, hands. All the way. Reach all the way through those fingertips. A big extension. Come on. Tight tummy. 4 more. Here's 4. Here's 3. Pull down arms. Here we go. Pull. 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 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Grapevine coming up.
All right.
4 walks. 4, 3, 2. Grapevine right now. Grapevine. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step, cross, step. Step, cross behind. Step, cross behind. and go. Nice, Maxine. There you are, doll. Push off with the leg. Push off. Go. Come on, all the way. Big extension, Camilla. When all these muscles are asked to move fast, you are getting in the best shape of your life. That is so awesome. Go, Carrie. Big punch. That a way to go, honey. That's the way to work out. You got it now. And go. How about 4, 3, 2, walk, 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 walk. You did it. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's the way. Tight tummy. Mini squats. 4 and 3 and 2. There's a mini squat. You bend, pop up, bend, pop up, bend, pop up. Good. Nice. Okay, arms are coming to a front and then a lateral. Watch me first and then join me, everybody. We're going up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Here's up. Here's out. Here's up. Here's out. Arms. There you go. Front raise, lateral raise. Front, lateral, front, lateral. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk, 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 walk. We're always walking. Wow. Always walking. That's what I love. Raise them up high, guys. Reach all the way through the fingertips. Real strong. Keep those feet walking strong. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Side steps coming back. Ready? Side step right here. Here we go. Out together, out together. Heels to the front, coming up. Nice. I love this energy. You still got that good energy, guys. Good. Now, here comes the heel, everybody. Heel down, heel down, heel down, heel down, heel down, heel down, heel, heel, heel. A little rotation. Arms come around. There you go. Arms come around. They give you balance, but they also help that waistline get in there. Come on. We really do. You know what? Listen, one of the most important things we do for our good health is keep our waistline trim. Listen, that's the dangerous area. When you're gaining weight and there's extra weight in the middle, that's the stuff that can get our health really out of control. 4, 3, 2, walk, walk, walk. Belly fat complicates every condition. Oh, I hate to say it like that. Ooh, it sounds so serious, but you know it really is. If we can just reduce a little bit into the waist, your health can improve dramatically.